Thank you so much for getting Cash Funnel Boss. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the software. So right now you are on the membership era page where you will see all the instructions how to install and download your product. So let's go ahead. So the first step, you're watching this video right now, so we are done with the step number 1. Step number 2 is to claim your unlimited site license. You have to go to this website, and so it will be something like that, and then just put your name. It can be your name, and then you put your email address right here. Then click register, and you're going to receive an email in your inbox. So this is what kind of email you're going to receive. Look for Cash Funnels Machine License Key email title. You may check the spam box. Sometimes it goes to spam, sometimes to inbox. So make sure to check both. You will receive your email, license key, and user ID. And you will need this information to complete the installation. So make sure to save this information in a notepad or somewhere. Then let's go to the step number 3. So once you get the license key, now you can download your Cash Funnel Boss. So just download this file. This is a zip file, so you have to unzip it. So you will need a software like WinZip or 7-Zip to unzip this file. Once you do it, you can then read the installation guide. It's basically the same process as I explained in the video, but you may also go through the installation. This shows step by step how to install the software. You can also download the bonuses, and then step number 6 is to installing the software. So once you download your Cash Funnel Boss, here's what kind of files you will see. You will see this folder and all these folders and files that you will need to upload to your server. In order to upload files to your server, you will need an FTP client, and I recommend you to use FileZilla. Just Google FileZilla, and the first one will be the website FileZilla-project.org. It's a very good FTP client. It's free, and it works on Windows and Mac. So just download that. It will allow you to actually connect to your server and be able to upload your software there, and then proceed to installation. Once you have your FileZilla installed, you can go right here, and then you can put your host name right here, username right here, and password right here. Alright, so if you don't know this information, just ask your support and they will tell you. Just ask them for the host name for your FTP, username and password, and they should be able to give you this information. So here are all my files for Cash Funnel Boss. You can see them right here, and on the right you will see my server. So I did create a folder called folder name test10. That's where I'm going to upload the software. So let me select all the files with the shift, and then all you have to do is just drag and drop. So just drag and drop and just wait once all the files will be uploaded. Once this will be done, once you upload all the files, we can now actually create a MySQL database, and that will be a database that we'll use later on to install the software. Alright, so because installation, the uploading may take some time because there are quite a lot of files. So in the meantime, we can actually create a MySQL database. It's a very simple process. You will need to have a cPanel, and most hostings do have cPanel. So let me log into my cPanel right now. Now, in order to create a MySQL database, all you have to do is just go right here and go to the MySQL databases, and then you can create a new database. So let's do CFB and click Create Database and go back. Once you create a database, you also have to actually associate a username to this database. So let me create a new username. Let's do it again, CFB, and let's put the password. Alright, then click create. Let's click go back. And now we have to add the user to the database. So we have to select the user that we just created and select the database, and then click add to actually match the username with database. So just click add, click all privileges, click make changes, and we're done. Okay, so I just uploaded all the files to my server. Once you do that, go to your web browser and just type your domain name / directory where you uploaded. So in my case, I uploaded the cache funnel boss to killermarketing.net domain and to the test10 directory. So all I have to do is just go to the killermarketing.net /test10, then do /install /index.php. You can see the URL right here. So it's killermarketing.net /test10 /install /index.php. Once you do that, you will see this licensing details. So all you have to do is just put your email, license key, and user ID you just received in your email. So let me copy that. So just copy that and paste it here. Copy the license key, paste it here, and the user ID. Just copy that and paste it here, and just click install site. Now we have to fill up the database details. So we have to fill up the host name. Mostly it will be localhost, so you don't have to change that. Database name, that's the database. It's MySQL database that we created previously in cPanel. So we did create it before. You can see it's Lucas131_CFB. So let me copy that and just paste it right here. We also created a username for MySQL, and it was the same name. And then just put the password that you used. And now we have to fill up the admin account, and that's basically your login and password that you're going to use to log into your installation, to your database, and to your software. So let me put my email right here, and let me put my password. Actually, it was a different password here. Okay, so once it's done, just click install site. Okay, the site has been installed successfully. Just go here. Now you can put your email and password. Basically, it's your admin details you just put in the form. So just put your email and your password that you have chosen. And it's done. So now you can start. First, I will advise you to go to the Need Help, where you can find the video trainings and just watch them first. Then just click Create New Funnel to create your first campaign.